Before we jump into the world of imagination, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell. Join the excitement.
Hello, beautiful kids. Do you know how many animals are there in a farm? Today we're going to learn about farm animal name and know their cute baby and how they sound. So get set, go. This is Fiona the Horse. Fiona is a gentle horse who loves to be brushed and groomed. Horses like Fiona are used for riding, pulling carts and other farm work. Fiona's foal is called a foal, and they learn to walk and run shortly after birth. This is Molly the goat. Molly is an energetic goat who loves to climb and explore. Goats like Molly produce milk and can eat a variety of plants. Molly's goat kids are called kids, and they are known for their playful antics. This is Misty the Mouse. Misty is a tiny mouse who lives in the barn and enjoys nibbling on grains. Mice like Misty have a keen sense of smell and are good at finding food. Misty's baby mice are called pups, and they stay close to their mom in the cozy nest. Oscar the owl. Oscar is a wise owl who keeps watch over the farm at night. Owls like Oscar have keen eyesight and silent flight. Tina's baby turkeys are called poults, and they follow their mom around the farm. This is Lucky the duck. Lucky is a quacking duck who enjoys paddling in ponds. Ducks like Lucky have waterproof feathers and webbed feet. Lucky's ducklings are called ducklings, and they follow their mom everywhere. This is Oliver the ox. Oliver is a strong ox who helps with plowing and heavy tasks on the farm. Oxes like Oliver are known for their patience and hard work. Oliver's baby ox is called a calf, and they learn from their parents' example. Now listen to this fantastic song.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald.
This is Wiggles the worm. Wiggles is a helpful worm that lives in the soil and helps with composting. Worms like Wiggles aerate the soil and create nutrient-rich worm castings. Wiggles' baby worms are simply called baby worms, and they grow into hard-working soil companions. This is Sunny the snail. Sunny is a slow-moving snail that helps keep the garden clean by eating decaying leaves. Snails like Sunny have a protective shell and leave a slimy trail behind them. Sunny's baby snails are called baby snails, and they start with tiny shells that grow as they mature. Wally the weasel. Wally is a sleek weasel who helps control pests around the farm. Weasels like Wally are skilled hunters and have a playful nature. Wally's baby weasels are called kits, and they learn hunting skills from their parent. This is Bella the bunny. Bella is a soft and fluffy bunny who loves to hop around and nibble on carrots. Bunnies like Bella have long ears and a twitchy nose. Bella's baby bunnies are called kits, and they enjoy burrowing in cozy nests. This is Rocky the rooster. Rocky is the confident rooster who wakes everyone up with a cheerful crow in the morning. Roosters like Rocky protect their flock and keep an eye out for danger. Rocky's little chicks are called chicklets, and they follow him around in the yard. This is Quincy the quail. Quincy is a colourful quail who scampers around the farm searching for seeds. Quails like Quincy have distinctive calls and are excellent at camouflage. Quincy's quail chicks are called chicks, and they quickly learn to forage for food. This is Penny the pig. Penny is a playful pig who enjoys rolling in the mud to keep cool. Pigs like Penny are smart and can be trained to do tricks. Penny's piglets are called piglets, and they love to snuggle with their mom. Bubbles the butterfly. Bubbles is a colourful butterfly that dances around flowers in the farm. Butterflies like Bubbles play a crucial role in pollination. Bubbles' baby butterflies are called caterpillars, and they transform into butterflies through metamorphosis. This is Bailey the sheep. Bailey is a fluffy sheep who provides us with warm wool for clothes. Sheep like Bailey graze on grass and make a cute baas sound. Bailey's baby sheep are called lambs, and they love to frolic in the meadow. Patch the pony. Patch is a small and friendly pony suitable for little riders. Ponies like Patch are known for their gentle nature and sturdy build. Patch's baby pony is called a foal, and they quickly bond with children. This is Daisy, the cow. Daisy is a friendly cow who loves to graze on fresh grass. Cows like Daisy produce milk that we can drink and make delicious dairy products. Daisy's calf is called a calfie, and they love to play in the sunshine. This is Charlie the chicken. Meet Charlie, the busy little chicken who lays eggs for us to eat. Chickens like Charlie scratch the ground to find tasty bugs and seeds. Charlie's little ones are called chicks, and they're fluffy and adorable. This is Coco the cat. Coco is a curious cat who keeps the barn free of mice and pests. Cats like Coco are great companions and often purr when happy. Coco's kittens are called kittens, and they love to play with yarn and chase their tails. This is Harmony the hen. Harmony is a caring hen who lays eggs for the farm. Hens like Harmony cluck softly while scratching for food. Harmony's baby chicks are called peeps, and they love to explore the coop with their mom. Thanks for watching. Please do hit that like button and subscribe the channel.